guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, it's been a while. I know it's been a while. I haven't posted anything, but today I'm in Melrose Arch, just walking around, seeing the place, and yeah, on in down. Anyway, how you guys doing? As in, I'll try to be consistent with this YouTube thing and posting a lot of videos, but space sometimes, Wi-Fi, data, and yeah, like I'll be motivated to post something. So guys, I was kind of like interrupted. So as I was passing in front of Rolex, the security was like, "Hey, they got pants your phone. Don't take any videos." But then now, it's okay. It's in front of Abdullah Bistro. It's a nice restaurant. Mara guys, umela ngathi ukhulume kahle lo muntu lona, like yakaphansi so phone, put that phone away, like hayibo so yalwa phela mosho kanjani. Anyway, yeah, so restaurants, you got Mr. Jozi's right there, you got the like still do a bistro. Okay, let's see, got the Istanbul kebab, crazy Turkish restaurant. So yeah. Okay, still walking around. I don't know if they've doing a sound, guys, but then still walking around this beautiful Melrose Arch. So yeah. Melrose Boulevard. Issue that shows us the motor lana water the content. Right, so I guess this is the mall. Okay, ngathi izongigwinya le nto sometimes. Okay. Yeah, oops. Melrose, very beautiful little town. As in, tingana ne-toilet. Shona, wait. So, hey, play toilet. Toilet. Guys, it feels weird to party camera. Part kwabantu busy uyavlogga nje abantu bakubhekile. Okay, I'm sure na i-toilet lana. Hey, Woolworths. Whoops. Sorry. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing fancy in the toilet. Got Rocco Mamas on the side. Got Woolworths. It's down and upstairs. So okay guys, I think I'll end the vlog here. This boring vlog, short vlog. So this YouTube thing is just random, you know. You don't plan to vlog. I just felt like just take out my camera and if I'm in a beautiful place, let me just take videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe, yeah. English, Lume English. So peace. Away.